Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make a field here in Salesforce. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Salesforce, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. To create a custom field in Salesforce, you'll need to have permission to customize objects and access to setup. Now, for you to be able to do that, I want you to hover to the upper right corner where you can see the gear icon and click on setup. Here, I need you to hover to the quick find. You can type in object manager if you want. That's one way. All right. Type in object manager. You see that one? Or you can simply go here. Beside home, there's going to be an object manager. It's the same. There's going to be an option here if you wanted to create a new object. But I'm going to select these objects and fields for now because we're going to make a field. Right? Now here, all you have to do is simply you can search for the object where you want to add the custom field. For example, account, contact, campaign, case, event, opportunities, or even a custom object. It's that's for you to select. All right, but for now I'm going to select the account because it's a lot easier. And here, go to the details where you can find the fields and relationships. Click that and there's going to be an option here that says new. Now here, this is where you can choose the field type. Is it going to be none of the data types? Is it going to be auto number, formula, lookup, relationship, checkbox, currency, time, text, URL? So I leave that to you. In my case, I'm just going to select the non-selected for now. I'm going to click on next. I'm going to look for the maybe or a geolocation. I'm going to click on next. Now on the field label, so it's up to you. What do you want here? Probably like for this one. And click on next. You see? If you don't have that, maybe like put in a number. And after that, all you have to do is click on next. Click on next. Click on save. And basically that's how you add a field here in Salesforce. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.